Hey everyone, welcome back. In our last video, we created a Kali Linux bootable USB drive. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn that bootable drive back into a regular USB or pen drive. When we make a drive bootable, its primary partition gets deleted. That's why, when you plug it into your computer, you often see multiple partitions and can't use it like a normal USB. Let's fix that. First, go to the search bar on your taskbar and type CMD. From the results, open Command Prompt. Inside Command Prompt, type diskpart and hit Enter. This will open the diskpart utility. Next, type list disk and press Enter. You'll see a list of all connected drives. For example, disk 0 is usually your system hard drive, and disk 1 will be your USB drive. You can confirm it by checking its size. Now, type select disk 1 and hit Enter to select your USB. Then type clean and press Enter. This will completely wipe the bootable partitions from the USB. Once cleaned, we need to create a fresh partition. Type create partition primary and hit Enter. That's it. Your new partition is created. Now, open this PC or my computer. Right-click your USB drive and choose Format. After formatting, your USB is back to normal. You can check its full size and use it to copy or move files just like before. Finally, in the command prompt, type exit to close diskpart. And that's it. Your bootable USB has been successfully converted back to a regular USB drive. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more cybersecurity tutorials. Thanks for watching.